Here we are given a set of few numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. From the list of the numbers, we have to write down the factors of 60 and the prime numbers. In the first section, we are going to look for the factors of 60. Factors of 60 means the numbers which divides 60. So let us see. The number 11 being a prime number, it does not divide 60. So 11 is not a factor of 60. We know that 12 times 5 is equal to 60. Therefore, 12 is a factor of 60. So in the factors of 60, the first number what we get is 12. Next, coming to 13, 13 is a prime number. Therefore, it cannot be a factor of 60. So, 13 is not a factor. Next, coming to 14, 14 does not divide 60. So, 14 is again not a factor of 60. 15, we know that 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So, 15 divides 60. 15 becomes a factor of 60. 16 does not divide 60, therefore it is not a factor. Now, coming to the set of all prime numbers from the given section, we have the prime numbers to be 11 and 13. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.